नमस्कार, मैं संदीप लठवाल एक बार फिर से हाजिर हूँ द मटेरियल डायरी के क्राफ्टेड कॉर्नर शो पर। और आज हम मोहाली इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया प्लॉट नंबर 745 से फोर्टे ग्रुप, जिसको अंकित खन्ना जी लीड करते हैं एज ए डायरेक्टर, उनके साथ हैं। दोस्तों, कहते हैं खिड़की और दरवाजे सिर्फ आने और जाने की जगह नहीं होते। ये वो स्पेस है जो आपको बाहरी दुनिया से जोड़ता है, जो आपको पॉजिटिव एनर्जी देता है। तो अंकित जी पिछले 5 साल से यूपीवीसी और एल्यूमिनियम विंडो सॉल्यूशंस में डील करते हैं और उन्होंने अभी अपना ये नया एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर लॉन्च किया है। तो आज हम यहाँ इस एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर पर देखेंगे कि क्या क्या सॉल्यूशन हैं जो अंकित जी एक एस्पायरिंग होम ओनर को या एक आर्किटेक्ट और डिज़ाइनर्स को ऑफर कर सकते हैं। तो लेट्स ओवर टू अंकित जी। हेलो सर।
हाय सर, प्लेजर टू हैव यू हियर।
कैसे हैं आप?
बहुत बढ़िया
सर, इस एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर का एक वॉक थ्रू आप हमें
श्योर। Let me introduce you to Uniframe, our superior aluminum systems by Prominence Group, and we have a very wide, combination of different systems. So let me show you around. We have these aluminum doors over here, and you see it here, and they are very special. Window called the minimal window. So if you see here, you don't see the handle. It's concealed over here, and this window can also be further concealed with a soft wall over here, and all you'll see is the glass from inside. This is another window which we call as the casement windows. This is a French window, as you see. We also do arch windows right over here. This is a Georgian concept, Victorian concept, which we have displayed here with the Georgian vase. Please come, we'll show you around. These are our sliding systems, very superior sliding systems. As you see, this is called Graph 32. This goes up to 10 feet height and comes with a mesh option as well. And now let me show you something very interesting which not many companies are doing right now. Now this is a motorized sliding system. If you see over here, now this system can go up to 14.5 feet height, single panel, and this is a very good product for applications like offices. It comes with a lot of features like your attendance, your face ID, and smart cards and all of that. It is also very good for residences, and it also comes without the motorized system. Over here, if you see, this is the collection of the hardware, the different hardware we have for all the systems, and these are another 2 small windows which we have displayed to check the noise efficiency, and this is for the heat efficiency of the systems. If you see here, this is the skylight system which we offer. This also comes with a screen under it, a motorized screen, and over here are the internal partitions. Now this is a great product for applications like your mandir, puja rooms, and your separations between your dining and drawing room. Now this system is called a telescopic sliding system, and it opens 2/3 of the entire area. And over here we have a system. Again, it's an internal partition system. Again, can be used for your drawing rooms, to separate out drawing rooms and drawing room and dining room. This is called a synchro system. So as you move one of the shutters, the other one moves along with it. Please come. This is a small, coffee area we have created to, sit and chat with our clients. Over here is the UPVC sliding system. We have two on display. One is in white, and this one is in the walnut finish. Both are by, prominence. Please come. This is another system. This is a large door. This door can go up to 10 feet height. This is a big door for 10 feet height doors, which we offer. And we also have doors for office partitions. These are called slim doors, as you can see here. All right, thank you.
डियर फ्रेंड्स, जब भी आप नेक्स्ट टाइम अपने घर के बारे में, विंडोज़ एंड डोर के बारे में सोचें, तो मस्ट विजिट फोर्टे ग्रुप, JSPL इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, सेक्टर 82, मोहाली। आपको यहाँ अपने सपनों के घर के लिए दरवाजे और विंडोज़, एल्युमिनियम, UPVC और स्लाइडिंग डोर्स, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पार्टीशंस डोर्स, सब कुछ मिलेगा। तो आज के लिए मैं संदीप लठवाल आपसे आज्ञा लेता हूँ। एक और नए शोरूम के साथ आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी। थैंक यू सो मच। नमस्कार।